Welcome to this unboxing and user manual video for the incredible mini spy camera. Let's dive right in and see what this amazing device has to offer. Inside the box, we have the sleek and compact magnetic bracket, flexible hard cable, a USB charging cable, a hanging rope, and the mini camera. The mini spy camera is designed to be portable and easily concealable. Its compact size allows you to discreetly place it anywhere you need surveillance. Whether it's for monitoring your home, office, or shop, this camera is the perfect tool for keeping an eye on things. Included in the box is a comprehensive user manual that guides you through every step of the setup and usage process. For use, the camera I need to install IWFCam application in my phone. Tap Agree and give all access to the application. Turn on the camera. For Add the camera, tap the small icon for Scan the QR code in the camera. Scan the QR code in the camera and tap OK. Now connect your phone with the Wi-Fi of camera. The camera now is connected with my phone. I can connect it to the router here. The picture quality of camera is very good. The camera can record in 1080 type resolution, and the images are clear and sharp. The camera also has night vision, so you can see what's going on even in the dark. To store your recordings, this mini spy camera supports SD cards up to 128 GB, not included. With loop recording functionality, you'll never have to worry about running out of storage space. The images will be the clearest and most detailed during the day. The camera can also record at night, and the images will still be clear enough to see what's going on. For Connect it to your Wi-Fi, tap this icon and choose your access point. And tap your password and tap OK. Waiting a few seconds. The camera now is connected to the network. You can control it from anywhere. With its powerful magnet, you can attach the camera to any metal surface, giving you flexible placement options for optimal monitoring angles. Thank you for joining us on this exciting unboxing and user manual journey for the amazing mini spy camera. We would love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Let us know how the mini spy camera can help you enhance your security and capture important moments. Thank you again for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and feel free to ask me in comment.